Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will show you the .NET exclusive features. Okay, and guys, I just want to tell you that I have installed Visual Studio 2026 in my PC. Okay, with the SDK 10. Okay, and I have created the console application of .NET 10 version. Okay, and I like to tell you the features of .NET 10. Okay, and I will compare it with the .NET as well. Okay. So here is the Visual Studio 20. Okay, and I have created uh, another application in the .NET 8. Okay, and it is the console application. Okay, so I will make the comparisons between .NET 10 and .NET 8 as well, so that you will get to know that the what's the major changes I have done in the .NET 10 comparison with the as compared to the previous version of it. Okay, and we know that .NET 8 and .NET 10, so it long-term support. So I thought that I should compare it with the long LTS versus LTS. Okay, so that's why I choose .NET 8. Okay. And if you are learning .NET, and if you are .NET expert, and if you are still working with the previous versions of .NET, okay, so I just want to tell you that, guys, you start building the applications in the .NET 10. Okay, you will definitely love it. Okay, and it's so faster than the previous versions of .NET uh, versions. Okay, and I love it very much. Okay, and I will explain you each every features of .NET 10. Okay, but I will create the 2-3 parts of this video. Okay, otherwise it will become 1 to 2 hours of video only for .NET 10. Okay, and if you are preparing for interview preparations for .NET developer, okay, so definitely you should see this video, and you should have the knowledge of .NET 10. Okay, and the full fledged of SDK of a .NET 10 will come is coming soon, and most probably it will come in the in the month of October last or November first week. Okay, and I am also excited. Okay, so right now I am using the preview version of .NET 10. So let's get started with the main content. Okay, so I have already tell you that I have created two uh, console applications. Okay, one for .NET 10 and one for .NET 8. Okay, and here is the 26 version of Visual Studio, and you can see the basic UI of 2026. And the thing is that it looks like previous one. Okay, so I want and I want to go deeper and dive to explaining like its features of Visual Studio 2026. Okay, so main agenda of this video is to explain you and to show you the .NET and exclusive features. Okay, so let's get started with the first content. Okay, so uh, okay, guys, let's start now. The thing is that I have used I am using this code snippet. Okay, I have write some basic code. Okay, and the main purpose of this code is I will tell you the first features of .NET 10. Okay, like .NET 10 improves its JIT compiler. Okay, JIT compilation, so it becomes like code execution very fast. Okay, while working with the interfaces. Okay, like I am iterating the interfaces corrections. Okay, so in the .NET 8, it takes time. Okay, and due to overhead. Okay, and in the case of .NET, there is no case of overhead, so that's why it becomes faster while execution and while iterating the interfaces in the .NET 10. Okay, and I will give you I have created the code as well. Okay, and what the code is that I am using the 1 million size of array. Okay, and I am just iterating and assigning the values in the array as well. Okay, and after that I am assigning the array value in the interfaces, and after that I have started stopwatch. Okay, and I am just calculating the sum of those values in the array, those values in the interfaces numerable type. Okay, Now after the successful execution of this thing, I have just stopped, and I am just calculating and I'm just printing the sum of the values, and what's the elapsed the milliseconds of executions. Okay, so that we will get to know about like how much time it took to iterate over the interfaces. Okay, and the same code I am using in the I am using with the .NET 8. Okay, now let me make you zoom first. Okay, now, and I thought, okay, just wait. Okay, okay, now first I, I will run the .NET application, okay, with the same code. Okay, now we will see that how much time it will take, like how much time it took to make a successful execution and successful iteration of over the interfaces. Okay, and the best thing is that, like, what's the overhead? Overhead means suppose I want to go there, I want to go to the destination. Okay, so right now I am here, like I am at the position A, and I want to go to position B. Okay, by stopping uh, between the 2-3 times. Okay, so this is overhead. Okay, and suppose I just go to the one to B, A to B directly, so without wasting much time. Okay, so .NET 8 took 188 milliseconds. Okay, and if the same code is executed with the .NET 8. Okay, so like we will see, like there is no overhead. Okay, and then there is the concept of de-virtualization as well. De-virtualization, and .NET 8 follows the virtualization of virtualization overhead. So it means that like we see the virtual level of overhead we see in the .NET 8, but it is de-virtual that overhead in the .NET 10. Okay, so that's why like code execution become faster while iterating over the interfaces. Okay, so I hope just guys, like you have understood the first point of and first exclusive features of .NET 10. Okay, and yeah, okay, so like why it is taking time. Let me execute this thing again. 1 second. Just a minute, so that we will get to know, like we will get to know the answers of that thing. Okay, so here is the execution of .NET 8. Okay, so it took me 217 milliseconds. Okay, and if I use this thing, so it will take me like 188 milliseconds. So it means, so, and it depends on the hardware configuration as well. Okay, so like if your hardware configuration is very good, so definitely you will see the much reduced time in the .NET 10 of execution. Okay, and right now we see with the .NET 8, and it took around 217 milliseconds. Okay, and in this case, like with the .NET 10, it took 1 milliseconds. Okay, so here the differences comes. Okay, while we like de-virtualize the overhead. Okay, so here is the first main features of the .NET 10. Okay, now let's go to the second feature. Now moving to the next and new features of .NET 10. Okay, like if like there is a new keyword introduced in the .NET 10, which is field. Okay, and like before explaining this keyword, okay, let's go back to the previous scenarios of .NET 8. Okay, like I have created a price uh, property in the product class. Okay, and after this, what I am seeing here, like first I have created another property. Okay, and after this, like I am getting the property value. Okay, then after the after the get the property value, and now what I'm here, like I am setting the price value. Okay, in the in this property. So like uh, like in the previous scenario, like in the .NET 8, we have to create the separate variable to this thing, okay. But the .NET 10 resolve this thing, okay, and resolve this problem, and resolve this like a dry principle, okay. And how it is like it introduced the field property, okay. Like we don't need to create this like separate variable, okay. We just use the get we just use to assign the field property, and just set the value of the uh, value in the field, okay. And here is the some condition, like if the value is less than 0, then just throw the auto range exception, okay. So here the differences comes with the .NET 10 and .NET 8, okay. Like in the first feature, I told you that it comes with like .NET 10 is uh, improved now as compared to the previous versions of .NET, okay. Now we are seeing that like .NET 10 comes with also the major changes with the syntaxial problems, okay. Like .NET 10 has changed its syntax, okay. Like unnecessary syntax issues is fixed now in the .NET 10, okay. And we know that .NET 10 comes with a C# 14, okay. So right now we can say, and so here the differences comes between the field like previous version of .NET 8 and .NET 10, and we see the first feature or syntactical features of .NET 10, okay. Now moving to the next feature of .NET 10, okay guys, let's see. Now the important like the next and important feature of .NET 10, okay, and it is again the syntactical based the feature of .NET 10, okay. And it is, and I can say like it is the major changes in the syntax based uh, feature in the .NET 10, okay. Like what is this? Like it is like a nullable assign operator, which means that this is the nullable assign operator, okay. And it is the exclusive features in the .NET 10, and while we are like saying about the syntactical changes in the .NET, okay. Now from .NET 8, like I just want to tell you that like the previously, like I just created the object, okay. And here I'm checking, and here I'm doing the check as well, okay. Suppose like there is no null values in the my object, then it will call the function, okay, and it will do something like this, okay. And if it is null, then it will assign the new object in the as well. And after the execution, it will do something like this, okay. And this is my object class, okay. And it is just consoling the some values, okay. Now the thing is that like .NET 10 comes with it, okay. Now the thing is that like right now I am like like those scenario, okay. Like this scenario is converted into the single line. So here is the main feature and main syntax feature of .NET 10, okay. And I call it and we call it nullable assignment operator, okay. So here is the exclusive feature of .NET 10, okay. And I must say like it is very helpful for us while writing this uh, like large size of code, okay. And the code size is really reduced now, okay. Like we can do this thing into the single line of this code, okay. So here is the top three features of .NET 10, okay. And in the next part I will give you and I will explain you the rest of the .NET 10 features, okay, in the next video, okay. So I just want to remind you that guys, please subscribe my YouTube channel, share this video to your friends, your colleagues, and network as well. Hit the like button, okay. And I just want to tell you that I have created this page on Instagram with F2 with Rohan. Okay, just go and follow me there. Okay, and the same with the same username you will find me on the Twitter as well. Okay, I have please connect me on the LinkedIn. Well, okay, if you have any queries, any doubts, just do let me know. Okay, and I will definitely reply back you in the few minutes. Okay, so here is the thing. Okay, and the rest of the features will come in the next part. Okay, so till then, take care, guys. Bye bye. Have a good day.